Hello there, welcome to Cool Python Course Tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you mapping. Yes, mapping in Python. So you may ask yourself, what is mapping? Let's say you have a list that contains 1000 entries of numbers and you want to return a new list that we have the square of all the 1000 numbers in your list. Wow, that would be a tedious work and may require lines of code, but mapping makes your work easier. Yes, mapping takes into arguments like your filter, it takes your function, then it now takes your sequence. And what it really does is like, let's say you created a function to compute the square of a number. So what mapping does, it for every number in the list, it computes all it does for that function you created. It applies it to all the entries in your list and returns a new list. So remember, to learn is you have to write it as code. So let us write it as a code. Remember, we're using CubePython 3 on Android. So let's click on the editor, let's click a new blank file. Okay, we have created a new blank file. So what do we do next? So first of all, let us create a data, a list containing numbers. Yes, a list containing numbers. Let's just type any number: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is our list containing numbers. So what next do? We write a function that computes the square of a number. So let our function name be square number. Let the argument be number, then your colon, then you inject your code. Remember to inject your code. So let our program return number. To find the square of a number in Python, you use this operator. So the square of a number, so you use that, and this returns the square root of a number. So let us create a new list and name it as new data. Let us assign it. So first of all, remember our mapping works with list. So you say list, you put your parentheses, then you now use the map ma, then you now open another parenthesis. Our function is square, so we write square. Remember, your map takes two arguments, your function and the sequence. Your sequence can be a list of numbers. So our sequence here is data. Remember, data is our numbers from 1 to 10. So we close our parentheses. Make sure you close all your parentheses to avoid error. Okay, it's time for us to print our new list. Print new list, which is new data. So it's time for us to save our program. Above the keyboard, you see a floppy a disk icon. You click on it to save. Let's say our number. Let's save our program as square.py. then you press that good sign, you click on it. We have saved our program, so let us run it by pressing that play button on top on my keyboard, above my keyboard. Voila, so our program has, we have run our program, and here is the result: 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 and 100. So this program returned all the square of entries in our list. Wow. Remember to go to coolpythoncodes.com to learn more about Python function. And also I do many tutorials, so you may, and also subscribe to my email list to get exclusive contents that I share to my subscribers. And please leave a comment on this video. When you leave a comment on this video, please do share it, and thank you very much. Remember, it's coolpythoncodes.com. Bye bye, see you later.